Hello. Queen of England here, but you may call me Queen. Long live me, long live me. Well, I am so very grateful that Sharon Pinkenson is there to defend the mother tongue, particularly in view of the current collection of numpties criminally permitted to speak the mother tongue in public. Oh boy, does that Sharon ever know her way around words? Yeah, all that syntaxy, usagey, grammary stuff, yeah. It's a gift. Yeah, if only I knew what those words meant, yeah. Well, I don't always understand it, but I know she knows what she's doing. So that's what's important. Here in the castle, I will be celebrating Sharon's receiving the Elevation Award by drinking my tea with an elevated pinky. Now, the question you must ask yourself is this tea or is it a pinky?
And right above the eagles, you have Sharon, who's absolutely tremendous. She's a beacon, a lighthouse, a flashlight of beaconness, whose beacon of light has led this city so tremendously through its incredibleness.